Interspecies romance is everywhere, and audiences just can't get enough. From Beauty and the Beast to Twilight, Avatar, and even Star Wars, stories of love between very different beings captivate listeners and viewers alike. And for audio creators, it's a golden opportunity. You have a chance to craft something truly unique, something that sparks curiosity, tension, and heart in ways only audio can. The reason interspecies romances are so popular is simple. These are stories of love that's hard-won. It's never just instant attraction. It's about bridging worlds, understanding differences, and finding connection where others see impossibility. And the best part? In audio, you can make every sigh, every heartbeat, every pause feel intimate, letting your audience experience every nuance and emotion as if they're right there with your characters. Above anything else, this is about romance, about chemistry, tension, vulnerability, and humor. You just need to adjust these key romantic principles to fit characters from completely different worlds. But how should you do that? Step 1. Embrace the differences. Give each species vivid, interesting traits. Maybe your alien communicates through colors or pheromones, while your human speaks through words and gestures. Let these differences shine in every interaction. Curiosity, fascination, and the occasional misunderstanding create that first spark of chemistry. Step 2. Put them in situations where they must depend on each other. Shared challenges, whether escaping danger, solving a puzzle, or surviving a storm, build trust and connection. Every near miss and small victory strengthens the bond and makes the romance feel earned. Step 3. Embrace vulnerability. Let your characters reveal fears, doubts, or loneliness. These quiet, heartfelt moments let the audience root for them, making the chemistry feel real and authentic. Step 4. Add warmth and humor. Playful teasing, little jokes, or shared secrets make the relationship feel lived in. These touches make listeners fall in love with the characters as much as the story itself. Lastly, Step 5. Don't forget obstacles. Differences in worlds, social expectations, or internal doubts create tension that keeps listeners engaged. That push and pull is what makes them invested, wanting more with every episode. So remember, the best romance devices are still your foundation. You just add tweaks to make them believable across worlds. Highlight contrasts, shared experiences, vulnerability, and humor. And you can create a love story that's unforgettable. Interspecies romance can be challenging, but that's exactly what makes it so exciting. Audiences love it. And as an audio creator, you have the chance to bring it to life like never before. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated and catch all our storytelling tips.